Hi, my name is Chris. I've been living in Hudson going on 20 years now. Last fall, I had an issue with my garage door and it was a disaster. I tried fixing it myself. I should have called the professionals. What I found is I needed a new garage door. So I called a friend and he recommended somebody he's been using for over 20 years. He says he's got a lot of experience and he's his go-to guy. Well, I gave Mike a call and I was really surprised at his reasonable prices. He's a local guy here. In fact, I have a barn out back. After he put up my new garage door here, I had him do two in the back. I absolutely recommend him. If you want a local guy with a lot of experience with reasonable prices, you have to give Mike a call. His phone number, 715-222-4951. I do have to tell you something. He doesn't even know I'm doing this, so just tell him that Chris sent you.